All right, let's start this beast up. So, back to working on Frankenstein. We got new,
New what?
what do you call these things?
Daddy,
Terminals, battery terminals.
Daddy,
Let's put these on.
Open
Boom. All right, so you can see with this one, I'm missing the back part of it. And it's pretty beat up. You can hear my crazy dogs. Alright, let's take it off.
Chloe? Daddy,
I think I found the problem.
Daddy, what's lighting mean?
Yeah.
What's lighting mean?
I don't know if they put it on wrong or if it melted. Hey, I don't know if you watch all my videos, you probably saw the solenoid started smoking. And I'm pretty sure it melted that. Either way, it was probably a bad install whoever put this on, because this side it's mostly covered with plastic either way. But then this side it looks like it melted over. I don't know. But this is probably why it's not. I mean, it's really only got a small space to really connect. It's so crazy. Alright, got that cleaned up. Let's put this bad boy on. Alright, so I got the battery. It's so funny. You get the tripod and it's still too low. So I got the battery terminals all swapped out. So they're connected now. This thing has been parked for, well, it's always parked, but I haven't drove it in a couple of weeks because vacations and things like that. So I don't think the battery's going to have enough charge, although I've had it disconnected, but it's also been triple digits out here in Arizona. So it's probably dead. But how cool will it be if it starts and it was just those connectors? So let's try, let's see. Cross our fingers. Alright, let's see. Time it's probably just been those connectors. I mean, the battery's still pretty old, so it's still like probably pretty much done. But how crazy is that? I'll still keep it disconnected just so that, you know, the battery does stay alive. But dang. Wow. Can you believe that? I think it's crazy. Anyways, like and subscribe. I really appreciate everybody that watches my channel and follows all these videos. It's really crazy how something so simple and minor can make such a big difference. But it started right up, no problem. It was definitely those connectors, and it's pretty awesome. Pretty stoked. I'll still probably get a new battery, but like, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and boom, baby, that's it. All right, let's start this beast up. Yeah.